Hello, everyone! If you are looking for a way to keep your subscription list free from any kind of spam, you should watch this video. The newsletter plugin provides a way to filter real subscribers, or else block spam, bots, or unusual users. But how can I make sure my subscriptions are protected? First of all, click on the subscription item, next on the anti-spam entry. Here you can configure your anti-bot. Enable and disable it. Set Akismet, which is a spam checking service, and the anti-flood system. The latter allows you to block multiple registrations from the same email or IP address during the time set. There is also another function available, which is the capture system. It can be enabled to avoid bots, and it consists in a second subscription step which works as confirmation of bot absence. It is shown only after the form submission, so it doesn't appear in the form itself. The second step we are going to see is the compilation of blacklists, where it is possible to list the addresses that you want to be blocked. Last but not least are logs. This is an important feature that allows you to check the anti-spam system's activity. You can see all the flood, spam, and bots detections that have been blocked. The anti-spam configuration is important to keep your subscriptions efficiently protected, but it can't always grant no spam or bot will ever make it through the filter system. We suggest using it in coordination with a security plugin like WordFence and a good hosting provider. Keep your subscriptions safe with the newsletter plugin Anti-Spam, and see you next time.